In this video, I'll show you how to turn your photo into stunning AI fantasy art in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to create magical portraits or unique digital artwork, this method will make it easy and fun. First, open Chrome on your device. In the search bar, type Wishkey and press enter. Click on the first link, which is the official website. Now tap on Browse Gallery and then click on Enter tool. Next, click on Add Image. Then in the subject box, choose the picture you want to turn into fantasy art. It will take a few seconds to adjust your photo in the frame. Once your photo is ready, paste or type your prompt describing how you want the AI art to look. Then click on the arrow option to start generating your AI fantasy art. After a few moments, you'll see your generated picture along with two different variations. If you want to download your artwork, simply tap on the picture and click on the download button. Now your AI fantasy art is saved and ready to use. And that's it. This is how you can easily turn any photo into amazing AI fantasy art. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.